Hello children, welcome to CA session. Students, today we will start new chapter, chapter 2, number systems and introduction. So students, first of all, the fact related to the chapter is that the famous Indian mathematician and astronomer Aryabhatta, you might have heard his name. He is very famous mathematician as well as astronomer, and he has invented zero, and it has completely changed the paved of the number systems. So earlier you might have seen that earlier the calculating machine was our fingers. Okay, you know very well 10 fingers are there, and those 10 fingers can be used to count numbers. Okay, so the earliest calculating machine was our hands. Then it has 10 fingers and we can count numbers. We can make counting based on 10 fingers. So now what is number system? Number system means the way of representing numbers. You might have seen on the keyboard, on our QWERTY keyboard, you might have seen only 10 numbers are there, and numbers are from 0 to 9. Okay, not more than that. And using those numbers we can simply make other numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit, 4-digit number, and so on. Okay, so only 10 numbers are used in our number system on the keyboard, and that number system is known as decimal number system. Okay, so that we are using in our daily life. Okay, numbers from 0 to 9 comes in decimal number system, and that is why it is having base 10. How base 10? 1 to 9 are 9 numbers and 0 is a 10th number, and that is why it is having 10 base system. So apart from this number system, decimal number system, we have 3 more number systems in computer. 3 more number systems in computer are decimal number system first of all, then binary number system. You are very much familiar with the binary number system. Binary numbers means 0 and 1. So any number represented in the form of 0 or 1 will be binary number system. So that is the language that computer understands. Apart from that, nowadays octal number system is also there, and hexadecimal number system is also there. Okay, so now I will tell you the difference between all 4 number systems. We will study about 4 different types of number system. 4 different types of number systems are decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. So first of all, decimal number system. As I told you that it is having base 10, that means only 10 numbers will be used, and those numbers will be from 0 to 9. You can count also from 1 to 9 there are 9 numbers, and the 0 is 10th number. Okay, so total you can see there are 10 numbers. So the numbers means the symbols used. These are actually the symbols, 10 symbols used in decimal number system, and that is why it is having base 10. So in binary number system you are very much familiar that only 0 and 1 is used. Okay, so 0 means off and 1 means on. Okay, so only 2 digits are used, 0 and 1. You are very much familiar that these are known as bits. And combination of these numbers, these bits, is actually the byte. Okay, so if we make a combination of 8 bits, that means it will become 1 byte. If we are making combinations of 4 bits, it becomes 1 nibble. Okay, so it depends on the computer that how much capacity they have to store, like if they can store 8-bit numbers or they can store 16-bit numbers and so on. So as there are 2 digits only, 2 symbols only, 0 and 1, it is having base 2, and that is why it is binary number system. Now octal number system. Octal means 8. So here its base will be 8. That means only 8 symbols will be used. So those 8 symbols are 0 to 7. You can see all these numbers are starting from 0. Okay, so here 0 to 9 we have to count up to 10 numbers. Then 0 to 1 we have to count up to 2 numbers. It all depends on base. Okay, so here 0 to 7 we have to count total 8 numbers. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is why it is having base 8. Now hexadecimal. Hexadecimal base 16. That means we have to count from 0 to 9 We don't have to take 2-digit number. Okay, we have to take only 1-digit number. All 1-digit numbers we have to write, that means 0 to 9, and after that the 11th number will be capital A. 12th number means 12th symbol will be capital B. 13th symbol will be capital C. 14th, 15th and 16. You can see total there are 16 symbols in hexadecimal number system. Okay, base 16 in hexadecimal number system. That means we have to write all 1-digit numbers in the symbols. So here 1 to 9 we have 10 symbols here. Then after that we have to use 6 capital letters from A to F. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. In this chapter, students, I will tell you to convert decimal number system to binary number systems and binary number system to decimal number system. Okay, so converting of these numbers from this to this and this to this is not there in your course. Only you have to study the definitions as well as symbols. So now, students, I will tell you about representing values in different number system. So, representing values in 4 number systems. You can see these symbols, 10 symbols are used for decimal number system, 2 symbols are used for binary number system, and 8 symbols used for octal, and 16 symbols used for hexadecimal number system. Okay, so I will take a simple example, 100. Why 100? Because in 100 you know very well we have 1, 0, 0. So here also you can see we have 0 and 1. Here also 0 and 1, 0 and 1 and 0 and 1. So it will be an easy example for you to understand different number systems understood by computer. Remember, all these number systems are understood by computers. Okay. So this is on the keyboard. And these are different ways to store data inside the computer. Okay. So these numbers are on the keyboard, that it is easy for us to understand. Okay. That what we are writing in computers. So first of all, if we consider 100 you know very well it is written like this, and 1, 0 and 0 are valid symbols, okay, and it is having base 10. So if you are writing base 10, that means you have to write 10 just below the baseline of the normal text, okay. So this is the normal text and I have written 10 in the base, just below the baseline. Students, if we write 100 in decimal number system, all 3 digits in 100 is valid, because 1 you can see is here, 0 also here, again 0, okay. So these 3 symbols are there in decimal number system, these decimal number systems, okay, and we have to write 10 base, okay. So this is the example of decimal number system. So if I have given you question in which you have to find out that whether the number is decimal, octal, hexadecimal or binary, then we can simply understand it with the help of base, and then you can write the answer. The next is binary number systems. It has only 2 symbols. So 100 is the valid example. Okay. But it is not 100 actually. I will tell you how to calculate, means how to convert this into the decimal number system. Okay. So first of all, 100 is valid example in binary number system. It has 3 digits and all 3 digits are there in the 2 symbols of binary system. You can see 1 is here, 0 and 0. Okay. And then if we write 2 in the base, okay, that means binary number system. Okay. So here 100 and then base 2, that is binary number system. If 100 base 8 is written, that means it is octal number system. You can see 1 is a valid octal symbol, 0 is also valid octal symbol, and this way 100 base 8 is the example of octal number system. The next is hexadecimal number system. Have digits from 0 to 9 and capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So here again I have taken the same example 100. You can see 1 is the valid symbol in hexadecimal symbols and 0 is also there. So if we are writing 100 base 16, that means it is hexadecimal number system. Okay. So other number, students, are represented in the form of various combinations of these symbols. Any number you can see in combination of these 2 numbers, that is binary number system. Any combination of 0 to 7 numbers, that means it is octal number system. Any combination from 0 to F, That means it is hexadecimal number system. So only this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.